Now
check,
you're
sir.
looking at my motorcycle, trying to find something wrong with it.
Sir, just random checks.
This is what's happening.
You have
Random
your
checks is not a thing. You shouldn't go down the street and get pulled over randomly.
You have your identification on you, sir.
I do, but I didn't get pulled over for a legitimate reason.
That's debatable at this point.
What's the reason?
You have your ID on you,
Please
sir.
tell me the reason.
Sir, we had we
I don't know what that is. Tell me the reason.